Hello! To change wallpaper on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is simply press and hold on the blank space on your home screen, just like this, and here is the button with the wallpapers. As we go in here you can find some recent wallpapers that you were previously using. You can also set up the wallpaper from your pictures, and here are a lot of different wallpapers that come pre-installed with your phone, and you can also here go into more wallpapers and basically download some wallpapers from the themes application, theme store I believe. And yeah, all you have to do is simply select any wallpaper that you like. You have some different variants, as you can see, from this particular category, and press apply. And from here you can apply to lock screen, to home screen, or to both of them, just like this. And yeah, here's the preview of how it would look like. You can also customize some more things right here, and yeah, press the apply button to apply the changes. And that's how to do this. That's how to change the wallpaper on your on your Realme 14 Pro Plus. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.